Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a star rating component in React. This is a really nice beginner project because it helps you understand state, hover effects, click events, and dynamic rendering. In my React project, I created two files for the star rating component, starrating.css and starrating.jsx. Then I imported the star rating component into app.jsx so I could display it in the app. I set the default prop value to 5 because we are building a 5-star rating component. Then I add a CSS class to a div called star-rating-wrapper. Inside that, I add another div. After that, I create an array and loop through it until it reaches the max value, like this. Length is set to max, and inside the bracket, I used underscore and index arrow, open bracket, and return span with star symbol. Now I've added the rating count like this, 2 out of 5. Next, I'll add the other CSS classes here. At this point, we've finished adding all the classes. Going to explain how this star rating component works in React. First, we import useState from React because we need to store data inside the component. Then we import the CSS file, which handles the styling of the stars. Next, we create the star rating component and set the default maximum number of stars to 5. Inside the component, we create two state values, rating, which stores the star the user clicked, and hover rating, which stores the star the user is hovering over. Then we create active rating. If the user is hovering over a star, we use that value. If not, we use the selected rating. After that, we convert the active rating into a percentage. For example, 4 out of 5 becomes 80%. This percentage is passed into CSS so the stars can be filled visually. Inside the return section, we first render the main wrapper. Then we render the star container and pass the percentage into a CSS variable. Next, we generate the stars dynamically using array.from. This means React creates the stars for us instead of us writing them manually. For each star, we assign a value based on its position. Then we add 3 events. On mouse enter to update the hover value, on mouse leave to reset it, and on click to save the selected rating. Finally, we display the current rating below the stars. So overall, this component combines React state, mouse events, and CSS to create an interactive star rating system. And that's how it works. Hope this helped. Like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly React tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.